Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways on how to sign in to Outlook using QR code. To sign in into your Outlook using QR code, you could follow these steps. Here, you want to open up a browser and type in outlook.com and log into your account. What next you want to do is click on help in the top of the page, and here you have this tab, so click on Outlook Mobile. When you do it so, you could find a QR code right in center. Now then, you need to use your mobile device in order to scan the QR code. So here I am. I need to install the Outlook application first of all. So I'm going to the Play Store and installing it. Now then, click on the open button and this is how it's going to look like. Now then, what next you want to do is simply click on add account, and then you could actually see the QR code icon in the top right corner of your screen. Now here you have sign in with QR code, so if you're sure about it, you could go and click on scan QR code. Now you want to make sure to enable this permissions, and then you could go ahead and scan the QR code, and here you go, you've successfully signed in using your QR code. So this is the way you could do it. But then what you need to do is you have to enter the code. Once you scan the QR code, you could see the code, you just have to go ahead and enter it, click on the next button, and that way you'll be able to sign into your account. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.